Students, we are on the exercise of chapter number 3, Media and Inspect. Let's see what is the question of our next exercise. And this question is, complete the sentence using the right option. The first sentence is, media dash a very constructive role for the society. So students, let's see, media is a singular noun or plural noun. Definitely media is a singular noun. That's why we always use plays. So media plays a very constructive role for the society. Media dash also become a mouthpiece of downtrodden. So media here again, we have to see that media is a singular or plural. Definitely media is a singular noun. So that's why we are using has. I'm happy that all of you dash express yourself very well. I'm happy that all of you have, because the person is talking about a lot of students. Their feelings and opinions. So definitely their feelings, they are in plural and opinion are also in plural. So we are going to use are. Film, radio, television, internet, book, magazine, newspaper, dash us information. So provide or provides. So all of these are not a singular noun because we are talking about a lot of things. Film, radio, television, that's why we will use provide. So students, I hope you understand the subject verb agreement here. Let's move to the next exercise.